Hi friends, this is Fime's Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo F17 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video on your phone Oppo F17 Pro. First of all, open camera in your phone and click on more button here and click on SLO option. Now start recording your video. I start recording this video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. I stop the video now and play the video. This is slow motion. When you play the video will be playing in slow motion. See the action is very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video on your phone Oppo F17 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.